Hey guys, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin today. It's at a very important point right now. I'm going to show you what Bitcoin will do next that will be very important. Also, I'm going to show you why the high point you saw for Bitcoin here at $73,500 is not really the cycle high point for Bitcoin. I will show you the markets and tell you everything else you need to know. So make sure you watch this whole movie. Everyone, welcome back. My name is Chris, and every day I'll show you how to make money in the cryptocurrency market in a movie. If this is your first time on the channel, please join and make the bell go off right away. Let's get right to it, guys. I also said that we are trying to push toward the orange box and break through it right now. Let's take a look at what's been going on lately. We fell below the orange box and found support at $61,000 on the daily period in the orange line. Big red candle, oops, big green candle. Now I'm trying to get through this. Let's look back at this past. The first time we broke out of this orange box, we went down to the orange line, which had a big green candle, and that's where we ended up. This looks a lot like what you saw right here, which is that after a lot of instability on this candle, it did take us above the orange box and make a new swing high here. Even though the high was lower than the low, the trend of making lower highs here stayed the same. We did go up for a while, but then we went down. This time we hit a new low at the orange box. But now you can see that the trend might start to change if we break through this orange box. This could be the bottom of this move, right? If we don't see a denial and prices go even lower. That means that this low is still higher than this one, which means that we might start to stop making lower highs. In this case, we want the orange box to break through this. First, we want to break through this earlier high. Then, we want to break through this very important level at $68,500. That's what I'm seeing right now. The time frame is now daily, and we are trying to break through this orange box. There is some very important stuff going on with the Bitcoin picture that I am going to share with you all from now on. But I'm pretty sure that Bitcoin prices will go up soon, whether it's today, tomorrow, in a week, or in 5 months. Prices on other markets are also going up. It took another jump to the upside, which supports the idea that Bitcoin is also, even though the regular markets are kind of doing better right now. It's going up, but Bitcoin isn't really going up. Because this has happened before, we knew it was only a matter of time before Bitcoin caught up and prices went up. Of course, that's fine with me. Now, I'd also like to show you this picture that Trading Shop put up. One more thing you can see is that this fractal is a bit like the last one. This fractal is this blue growth path. Finally, we did have a swing in 2019. One that didn't fit the rest, which was the Libra bubble. This is when Facebook said they were going to get into crypto and big stable coin, in case you didn't know. That didn't lead to anything. Anyway, there was a lot of excitement here. After that, we went back into the river. We had the COVID crash, which was clearly a huge black swan event. When the COVID price dropped and then went back up, we hit the 50-week moving average, which is shown by the blue line. We got support, and now we're just chug along here until we hit a parabolic phase and boom. We went up. The FTX crash was still a black swan big event if you look at what came before and after it. We came out of this channel and went up for a while. We hit the blue 50-week moving average support and have been going up ever since in a parabolic channel. And this means that as this channel keeps going up, we'll see $100,000 and then $140,000. Here's the thing though, guys, you already know that I think things will go sideways for a while. I believe that things will mostly stay the same over the next few months. For this reason, I agree with the theory that prices will go up, but I don't think they'll be as high as they are now. However, I believe that things will calm down a bit over the summer. Guys, that doesn't mean I don't think we'll go up. I only believe that we will not go up in a very powerful way. But I think we'll go up in general. But in general, the summer will be full of sideways movement and dull events. It will keep a lot of people from the market who are counting on 50x gains in a week. That's what I think will happen. We'll see what happens with that too. It's also clear that this move is good for my trading plans. As you all know, guys, this one was down about 10% yesterday because when I opened it, we saw a huge drop right away. I opened it pretty much here, but if you started opening it after I did, which you probably have, you should already be making pretty good money with this trading approach. It's at -1% right now though, we're getting there. Look around. I will of course keep you up to date on whatever happens with the trading plan. If you still want to use the same guys though, make sure you read the description of this movie and click on this link to claim up to $60,000 in OKEX. After that, click this link to set up the same bot on OKEX with just one click. Now, if you can't use OKEX, you can try BitCat first. Click here to sign up for BitCat. After that, you can use the bot on this link on BitCat with just a few clicks. That's something you should use if you want to do that. Now, I want to show you that Bitcoin might face some selling pressure soon because miners are under a lot of stress because of the split. They're making less money, and some mines have to be turned off because they're so far losing money. Now, Bitcoin is so great because it can handle these things on its own. As miners shut down their computers, the challenge will go down. When the level of difficulty goes down, people will be able to mine Bitcoin again and make more money. Everything is okay now. I did want to show you this though. Where did we see the bike top we saw? In fact, $73,600. If you look at the map, it seems like that wasn't the cycle top because in both of these tops in 2021, they lost a lot of money in long liquidations. As the price went down, people who were bullish and went long lost all their money. Now though, if you think this is the top based on the way prices have been moving, most of the liquidations have come from shorts. Since people were expecting prices to go down, there have been small price increases in Bitcoin, which have wiped out all shorts. There is a big difference between this and what you saw here in 2021. The fact that so many shorts were added shows that we didn't really feel that crazy joy at this peak. Prices were expected to go down. Even though prices went down, they quickly rose again, which caused the shorts to be closed. Also, this is very important to remember. In terms of the big picture of the economy, the desire for gold around the world has never been higher. Yes, the desire for gold around the world is very, very high right now, and it will also be high for digital gold. I want to show you this one too. This is the tech dev chart for the others chart. It shows the currencies that aren't in the top 10 or Bitcoin. In other words, smaller currencies. This is on the chart for 2 months. Each candle shows a 2-month picture, and you can see that we're pulling in. You can see the similarities. The L, the MACD, and the random. We saw a bit of a pop. The last time we saw this, a big pop, to be exact. There was a huge currency run. The question now is, will there be a big Bitcoin run? Well, I think we'll see. But what I said in yesterday's movie is still true after watching it again. This is a 2-month candle. That means we could have 1, 2, 3, or even 5 lights before we get to the top. But you can also take a couple of candles. In fact, we need to see 2 candles before we start to see real pumps because of this squeeze. This picture shows that tech dev is right when they say that as we squeeze, we'll see pumps to the upside. This could still be 4 or 5 months away. That means we might still be months away. So guys, what I said in my movie yesterday is still true until then. You should be very careful with altcoins that have huge values and huge unlocks but are going to dump on you. Okay, watch out for that. But guys, this is what I really have for you. I hope this video was fun for you. We're also getting a little refusal here from the edge of the orange box as I say that. We will try to break through even though it will be tough. It's nice to see, but that's all I have for you. Thanks for seeing this movie and have a great weekend. I'll see you all in the next one.